Hi, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. It has been some time since I made dessert. So today I'm going to make coconut pandan jelly. I have about a handful of pandan leaf here, 900 gram of grated coconut, 2 packets of the jelly powder or agar-agar powder, 420 grams of sugar, 900 ml of water. So this one I'm going to make it into pandan water, and this is 1.2 liter of water. This is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 pieces of large pandan leaf. Oh, just cut the pandan already. The smell so nice. We want to have a green color. To blend a dry leaf, you need to add in water. So I'm going to add in a lot of water from here. Make a pandan juice. Alright, it is very fine. So, wow, it's really green. The color is really stand out. So I'm going to use a strainer to drain out the fiber of the pandan leaf. Alright, so I'm going to use the coffee strainer to drain this again one more time, just to make sure that we do not have any fiber left behind. Okay, I'm going to keep my pandan liquid here while I'm preparing the coconut milk. Same thing for the coconut, so I'm going to squeeze the coconut. I put in a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to put all the water in here and squeeze out the coconut milk. Squeeze the coconut water in here. Again, same thing. I want to make sure that we drain the coconut milk out complete. I mean the grated coconut out completely. So just to strain it with coffee strainer. Alright, we have pandan water and also coconut milk. I just want to do a quick measurement if I have enough of pandan water for 900 ml. So this cup is 500 ml. Okay, this is 500 ml. So it is like about 50 ml. I'm going to add a bit water inside this green color liquid, just to make sure that we have enough liquid jelly. So, alright, here is 900 ml. I am going to pour it back into this container. And do a quick measurement for the coconut water as well. So this is 500 ml. Another 500 ml. So it's 1 liter. So this one is 200 ml. We have extra coconut water. Now let's do a quick division for the jelly powder. I need a 7 portion. So I'm going to, I don't want to do any calculations. I just want to do old-fashioned way. So by the way, this is the clear color of the jelly powder. So I'm going to measure 7 portions here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. Alright, still got some more. So I'm going to use just now it's half teaspoon. Now I use a 1/4 teaspoon. Still got a bit more, so I'm just distribute a little bit, half of it. Okay, all right, we have 7 portions, so I'm going to be using this powder to cook portion by portion. So first layer we're going to use white color, so we're going to use the coconut water to do a first layer. So I'm going to measure 300 ml from coconut water. Alright, 300 ml and 1 portion of this powder, and I used 1/3 of a cup of sugar. 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Stir. And then I switch on the heat. Bring to boil. Alright, the mixture is boiling, so I'm just switch off the heat. Just to keep stirring, make sure that the sugar is dissolved. Okay, now we're going to pour it into the pan. I have my pan over there. So we will pour the liquid onto the pan at the still no disturbance. So we just want to strain it, make sure that that's no other things goes into the pan. So I will rest it here until it cool down and harden. Then I will cook the second layer, which is the pandan water. It is fun. It will take so much time, but it's awesome. The first layer is hardened, so I can tilt like that, meaning they are not going to move anymore. So I can prepare the second layer, green color. So it's the pandan water here. Just stir a bit. So it's 300 ml here. Boil the liquid. Sugar. This is the jelly powder, so I cover it with the food plastic sheet just to ensure that the air won't harden it. So just pour it in and stir. Okay, it's boiling, so I'm going to switch off. Just need to let it cool down a little bit. But the fragrance of the pandan leaf is so nice. So I think it's okay now. It's hot, but it's not very hot, so I'm going to pour it on the pan. It looks so pretty. So we will leave it here until the green color is cooled down, and then I will do the third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer, sixth layer, and seventh layer. Repeat the process. It looks so beautiful. One more to go. Alright, this is the last one, final. Okay, I'm going to pour now. Oh, so beautiful. We'll leave it here to cool down, and then we will put in the fridge. Then tomorrow we can cut it. Lovely 7-layered coconut pandan jelly. So this is a jelly that it has been placed in the fridge for overnight. So I'm going to cut it now. Not that very straight though. Wow, look at that 7-layer of the jelly. So pretty, so beautiful. Let's try. Wow, looks so sweet. 7 layers, so it's cut deeper. The jelly is so smooth. The fragrance of the pandan is got the power. So, and the coconut milk, the combination is awesome. Really. Eat some more. You can just put one whole piece in the mouth. With black coffee for the afternoon tea.